Whoops. Trying to make a thumbnail and I've dropped everything on the floor. Hello gorgeous, wonderful, beautiful people. I really hope that you're doing very, very well today in the current climate of things. We're all currently staying indoors. So in today's video, as you can see by the title below, I am testing the new W7 dupe for the Huda Beauty Neon palette, which is the W7 Vivid palette. I have only got this in the orange palette shade, which is right here. But I'm just really, really excited to get this tested, and I just think it looks absolutely stunning. So I thought I would give it a go, have a look, see what the pigment's like, do a few swatches for you guys to see whether or not you might like it. I'm so excited for this, so let's have a look at the palette itself. I'll put a picture of the Huda Beauty one right here so that you can see, but basically the Huda Beauty one is £27 and this is an exact dupe slash replica of the Huda Beauty one, and it is, I think I paid £3.99, so this is what my one looks like in comparison to this one. I freaking love it. I think it's adorable. That is so bright. So that's what that looks like, and I just think it is freaking stunning. So before we get into it, I've already done my base, I've done my foundation, my eyebrows, that stuff. I think you can kind of see the vibe. The vibe is like oranges, brights, pigments. I don't think they've swatched very bright at all, to be honest with you. I was really excited for this shade, which is the bright yellow one, but it's just... Oh, you can build it. So hopefully this is a palette that we can build on. I just want to shove it on my eye now, I'm excited. So let's crack on. So I'm going to start off with the middle orange colour. I'm going to pop that in my crease. I hope that this blends out well, because I normally do my makeup messy and then just sort of blend it with a cleaner brush after, because I'm not amazing at makeup, I just enjoy it. So I'm going to take the bright yellow shade here and just sort of go over. I'm going to try this dark purpley colour here in my outer and just try and build up the depth. Do I sound like a guru? Okay, so that's what Okay, so that's what that eye looks like. The colours blended really, really nicely into each other, but they didn't really blend out into my skin as nicely as what I would have hoped. Despite that, I love the colours. They are actually bright and they build up. So at first my yellow wasn't very pigmented, but it's okay for like a crease colour, and it has built up. So I've got, if I think I move a little bit closer, so you can definitely see that I've got yellow in my crease, I've got orangey shades here, I've got a bit of pink around here, and then pinky tones on my under eye. So you can see it, like, it's definitely there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this onto this eye, have a look at what it all looks like together, and then I'm going to try one of the shimmer shades, just because I don't want to ruin it now. So, be right back. Okay, so I've put on the eyeshadow on both eyes, because I have two eyes. Eyeshadow is always easier when you already know what you're doing, what you're working with. I always find the first eye really difficult, but anywho, I think that I really, really like this palette. It's blended so well into each other. Like, so well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the sparkle shades out for today. Oh, I don't know what to do. But do you know what? I'm not. I am going to put on a little tiny bit of sparkly. So I'm going to take this shade here, which is sparkly orange, and pop that on the little tiny orange bit. And we'll see what that looks like. I'm going to try and use a brush actually, because most shimmers don't work with a brush. So, unfortunately... No, I'll be honest, the same thing as most even high-end palettes. The glitters aren't working very well with a brush. They're better with your finger. I still like the eyeshadow, don't get me wrong. The shimmers are just not very impressed with. Right guys, I'm going to go and put on some eyeliner, some mascara, and I will get right back to you guys for a final look and see whether or not we like it. See you in a second. So guys, that's the final makeup look using my £3.99 dupe. I am in love. I really like it. I'm happy with the pigment, I'm happy with the blending, just the colours in general. Pros and cons, all of the pros I just mentioned. Like, I like the pigment, I like the colours, it's buildable, you don't have to have it like bright all the time. Cons, it is, for me this is a pro, but for most people it's a con. It is very fallouty. That's why the colour I think picks up on the brush so well, because it comes off the palette so well, but you know what I mean. So yeah, there's a lot of fallout. If you don't like fallout, I wouldn't buy it, I would just leave it. It just looks beautiful, like the actual palette itself looks beautiful. Oh, another con, there's not a mirror on the inside, but you know, it doesn't matter because it's not like I don't own a mirror somewhere else in my home. But I absolutely love my eyes right now. Yeah, that's it. So that's the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you're notified next time I post. And let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you want me to have a look at. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, it's so appreciated, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye!